offering subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
In the morning, I see people strutting around the office with what they call breakfast. So McDonald's breakfast is my office flex. I get a sausage McMuffin made with savory sausage topped with melty American cheese, a sausage burrito loaded with fluffy eggs, sausage, melty cheese, green chilies, and onion, or crispy hash browns. And then I get another one for just $1. Nobody can match my breakfast flex. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Prices and participation vary. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo meal. Valid for item of equal or lesser value.
At Sherman, we heard you shouldn't talk about going to the bathroom in public, so we decided to sing about it.
Roll super mega for your backside. Shake your booty to the Charmin slide. Super mega make you feel alright. Everybody do the Charmin slide. Long-lasting tea gets everybody going. Please booty's clean and totally glowing. Shake your booty to the Charmin slide. Your rollers go with pride.
Charmin Super Mega Roll is longer lasting, so you can change the roll less often. Enjoy the go with Charmin.
Hey, Becky, what about this beat for your next song?
It's cool, but I'm into faster stuff lately. Like Xfinity that gives me beyond gig speeds.
Got it. What is this thing?
It sounds powerful, just like Xfinity. Because its supersonic Wi-Fi has 3 times the bandwidth, you can connect hundreds of devices at once.
That's what I call power.
Unbeatable internet from Xfinity. Made to do anything so you can do anything.
Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free 4K streaming box, all for $50 a month with a 2-year internet rate guarantee and no annual contract when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data at regular rates. Go to xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit a store today. Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and autopay. New gigabit extra internet customers only. Taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity internet. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes wireless usage. After 24 months, regular rates apply. Requires compatible Xfinity gateway.
Let it go.
Experience the magic at Frozen, Disney's latest hit Broadway musical. From the producer of The Lion King comes the show critics are calling a serious mega hit. Frozen is a can't-miss Broadway event.
Coming soon to the Orpheum Theater. Tickets on sale Friday at BroadwaySF.com.
When you buy low-quality headphones, you always regret it. Your favorite song sounds like. Your favorite podcast sounds like. And that check-in call from your teen sounds like. Don't have the same regret with roadside assistance. Join AAA, America's most recommended roadside service with the highest customer satisfaction. Become a member for as little $12 a month at AAA.com. AAA, outsmart life.
For more information on contests on this station, go to 1013.com/rules.
Don't miss our Labor Day sales event at DGDG.
He'd die for you. Will you scream for him? iHeartRadio's Weekend to Die For. You can win a VIP trip to Toronto to hang with The Weeknd backstage and watch the final show of his tour. Then, you'll experience Universal's Halloween Horror Nights in either Hollywood or Orlando, where you'll enter the twisted mind of The Weeknd as he stalks you through The Weeknd after-hours nightmare haunted house. Scream for The Weeknd. Then, scream for The Weeknd. Another once-in-a-lifetime out-of-body experience you can only win from iHeartRadio. Enter for your chance to win now at iHeartRadio.com/theweekend.
This traffic report brought to you by Caltrans.
Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
Traffic is brought to you by Whole Foods in Concord. There is an accident. 2 right lanes of block 680 southbound before 242. In San Francisco, there's road construction. The right lane is closed. 19th Avenue southbound between Ortega Street and Holloway. Be work zone alert. Save on your supplements during the big semi-annual sale at Whole Foods Market. Take 25% off all supplements through September 13th while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop now in-store or online. Terms apply.
KIOI-FM San Francisco, San Jose.
1013 is an iHeartRadio station. Available everywhere on our free iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio, and podcasts. All in one.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. This is Star 1013.
2000s, the 90s, and today, Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. Time to update y'all. It's our dating segment. How does it work?
Well, you meet somebody, whether it's online or maybe in person, and you go out and you think that the date was really, really fun and really like the other person, and then they disappear. You want to figure out how you can get a second date.
Let's say good morning to Beatrice on the phone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
So, you met a guy named Fred. This was online?
Yes, it was on Bumble.
Okay. That's the one where the lady takes charge, Corey. I don't know if you're aware.
I don't know that because I haven't been dating in a hot second.
She says who, she says when. So run us through like the process. How did the first date come about? How did it go? And where are we at now?
So, we talked on Bumble back and forth for a few days, and he's really kind, and he has this amazing connection. Very cute dog. He owns a Labradoodle, so we talked about that a lot.
Cute.
Yeah, that's like my favorite breed of dog, so that was already a win for me.
Sure.
And yeah, just after talking, we decided to meet up for a drink in Pacifica, and that went really well. He did not bring his dog, but we still had like a lot. Like, we like the same music, we like the same types of books. It just seemed like it was very easy for us to talk. And,
okay.
And I'm a little COVID conscious, and he was so sweet about it. Like, I appreciate that he's vaccinated and that he was willing to sit outside when we had our drink. That was nice.
Sure.
And flirty. It just felt good. And so at the end of the night, I was a little surprised that he didn't go. But maybe he was being a gentleman. He shook my hand, which was weird. But the next day he texted me and he said he had a good time. So that was good. And then I didn't hear from him. And now I still haven't heard from him, and it's been 8 days.
That's really weird for him to say I had a good time and then disappear.
But then also it ended with a handshake.
Well, that's better than a fist bump, I guess.
I thought maybe he was being like really polite or something.
Sure.
But I don't know.
Okay. Here's what we're going to do. So you've been listening. And so what we do is we'll call Fred and see what's up, and we'll have you on the line. So I'll have you mute your phone, and we'll figure out if we get some answers, okay?
Okay.
All right.
That sounds really good.
Sweet. We're going to play a song. We'll do it next. Second date update, Star 1013.
My life is brilliant. My life is brilliant. My life is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man. I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. I saw your face in a crowded place. What to do? 'Cause I'll never be you.
the 2000s, the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. We're doing second date update. We're talking with Beatrice about her date with Fred, and right?
Yeah, it was really beautiful.
Yeah. We were talking about what, Nick's restaurant the other day? That's over the ocean.
Nick's Rockaway Beach,
Yeah.
baby. Get the crab roll.
There it is. Pacific Chamber of Commerce, check it in. So anyway, you guys had a solid date outside, right?
Yes, outside.
All right. But then it got weird because he shook your hand at the end of the day.
It's kind of weird. I might do a side hug instead of a shaking of the hand.
Let's call him up. Okay. I'll tell you what. Beatrice, you mute your phone and we'll get this done, okay?
Okay.
You got it.
Hello?
May I speak with Fred, please?
Yeah, this is them.
Hi, Fred. It's Marcus and Corey from Star 1013.
Or, like, the radio show?
Yeah.
This is a radio
What's up,
show.
dude? Hey.
Good morning.
Wow.
Hi.